Hello friends, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about some Selenium interview questions and answers. This is part 1 of the interview questions and answers series. For that, I have taken help of my web page, technicalpage.net. Today, we are going to discuss 10 Selenium interview questions and answers. Question number 1. What is Selenium? Selenium is a web-based software testing tool. It doesn't support Windows-based or desktop-based applications. It is used for automating software testing. Let's move on to question number 2. What are advantages of Selenium? Let's see some advantages of Selenium. It is open source tool. That means it is free to use. It is a free tool. It supports multiple operating platforms. That means it is platform independent. Third point is it supports multiple programming languages. Fourth point is it supports multiple browsers. Fifth benefit is it can be integrated with other tools in software development or software testing process. Sixth point is it supports parallel execution. Let's move on to the third question. What are the platforms Selenium supports? Selenium supports multiple platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhone, Android, iPad. Let's move on to the fourth question. What are the programming languages Selenium supports? Selenium supports multiple programming languages such as Java, Python, JavaScript, C#, C++, .NET. Python is repeated here. I will remove this. PHP, Perl, Ruby, etc. So Selenium supports Java, Python, JavaScript, C#, C++, .NET, PHP, Perl, Ruby, etc. Let's move on to the fifth question. What are the browsers Selenium supports? Selenium supports multiple browsers such as Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Edge, Safari, Opera. Let's move on to the sixth question. What are the drivers Selenium supports? Selenium supports multiple drivers such as Firefox driver, Gecko driver. Gecko driver is for Firefox browser, Chrome driver, Internet Explorer driver, Safari driver, Opera driver, Edge driver, HTML unit driver, iPhone driver, and Android driver. Let's move on to the seventh question. What are the tools Selenium can be integrated with? Selenium can be integrated with multiple tools such as TestNG, Jenkins, Maven, Cucumber, JUnits, AutoIT, etc. Let's move on to the eighth question. What are the components of Selenium? The components of Selenium are Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. Let's move on to the 9th question. How can Selenium support parallel execution? Selenium supports parallel execution through Selenium Grid. Let's move on to the 10th question. What are the disadvantages of Selenium? There are some disadvantages of Selenium, such as since it is a free tool, there is no technical support. Selenium supports only web application. To work on Windows-based applications, you need to use third-party tools. You need to know at least one object-oriented programming language, such as Java, to use Selenium. You need to know about locators. Locators are different kinds of objects on the web page. So the objects could be dynamic. That means the locators could be dynamic, which means the value changes in runtime. That means the value changes dynamically while running the script. So in that situation it will be difficult because there will be chances of failing the script. There are different kinds of locators, but you need to know reliable locator like XPath. The performance of Selenium script is impacted by the network speed, operating systems, browsers, etc. We discussed 10 Selenium interview questions and answers in this video tutorial. We will cover more interview questions and answers in other videos. Thank you for watching this video.